What's good, beautiful people? It's your girl Savannah Curls coming at you with a quick crochet braid tutorial. I'm just going to get right into it. I started off with cornrows that was infused with my handmade shea butter. I got inspired to come up with this simply because I don't like the permanence of braids with synthetic hair, or just the long-term effect of having to not wash your hair as thoroughly as you can when you do have braids in. So I noticed that, they came out with the crochet braids, and I was like, it would just be easier for me to bobby pin these in. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do. Okay, you're going to start off by cornrowing your hair. I guess any direction you would do, as long as it is in line with, getting your hair nice and flat to the scalp. Also, you're going to want to bobby pin down your actual hair as close to the scalp as possible. If your hair is really, really long, then as you saw me do, flip your hair up and then bobby pin it. This definitely works for me, especially in my lifestyle. Like, I really always have to be on the go doing something always, and sometimes I really just want to switch up my look. Sometimes it's a little bit more variety to it than what I was working with before. It's affordable and it's quick. Takedown takes me 5 minutes, install maybe 20 minutes top, if that. I started off with 5 packs of crochet braids and a very large high quality pack of bobby pins. You're simply going to take your bobby pin and loop it through the bottom. Starting off, you're going to start at the nape of your neck and you're going to go inboard in the direction of your middle part. You're going to want to make sure that you keep track of the direction that you're bobby pinning in, simply because it makes it easier for takedown. This also makes sense because you don't want to style your hair in the opposite direction in which your bobby pins were placed in. And I want to do the same thing to the opposite side. It would really surprise you just how much they do stay in place when you bobby pin them in a more organized way. Then you're just gonna repeat the same thing throughout the whole back of your head, making sure that you bobby pin inboard to your braids or into your cornrows. For each cornrow, about an inch per length of the cornrow, I would have to say you need about 2 crochet braids on the same side, if that makes any sense. Okay, so I know some of y'all are wondering whether or not I have tested my theory or the stress limit of the bobby pins out in public, and I have. I've definitely gone out. I had to go traveling with them in my head. I slept with them in, doing nothing but putting my do-rag on at night and going shopping in them. And I figure as long as I'm not getting into a fight or around babies that might snatch your stuff. Like, it was perfectly fine. One thing I would definitely change is my length selection. The point of having braids or something that isn't your hair is making it look as believable as possible. So if I could do it all over again, I probably would have gotten 2 packs of 10 inch, 2 packs of 12 inch, and finished it up with 1 pack of 18 inch. I really had fun doing this and just coming up with a concept for it. Before I braided, put the bobby pin them in separately, I actually went ahead and just put like the hair clips and the hair jewels on it prior to it, so the hair jewelry would look more random. As you can see, the direction of how I bobby pinned the crochets in changed once I got to more of the top and the front of my hair. I actually went more backwards with or pinned the bobby pins and back towards the back, so going towards the crown, because I didn't want the bobby pins to be visible at a certain point. So once you get to the front, you can determine the density of it. I just more or less stuck to just maybe 1 or 2 per section and 1 as I got towards the front. Yes, I was definitely able to flip the hair, make a part, like flip it up, pin it back, all this other stuff. Like, it truly was able to stay in without any issues. I tell you, like, it really is stable. As long as you ain't getting no fights. And again, warning, stay away from babies and fights, and you should be all right. Thank you all for supporting Savannah Curls. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, or leave a comment or question down below. You can also follow me on my social media pages, which I will be linking in the description box. And remember, I look forward to taking this journey with you together. 0 to 100.